on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. Shaking, drinking all this coffee.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज मैं एक और चैलेंज लेके आई हूँ अगेन। अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैं इतना चैलेंजेस क्यों कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज अब व्लॉग्स बनाने के लिए कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते, बिकॉज यू नो द कंडीशंस इन इंडिया आर नॉट गुड एंड घर से स्टेप आउट करना इज़ अ वेरी बिग रिस्क। सो प्लीज़ डू स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ, फॉलो ऑल द कोविड रिलेटेड प्रोटोकॉल्स। बिल्कुल भी इनको नज़रअंदाज मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कितना कॉमन है, हर एक इंसान बोलता है, बट ये जितना कॉमन है उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसीलिए सब ये कहते हैं। सो प्लीज़ डू फॉलो। सेकेंडली, अब हम लोगों ने किया है हु इज़ मोस्ट लाइकली टू वाला चैलेंज विथ माई स्कूल मेट्स। मैंने मेरे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये चैलेंज किया है, बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स के साथ करने में मज़ा आता है। एंड हमने ये ऑनलाइन किया है ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज हम नहीं मिल सकते अभी इस टाइम पे। सो ये वीडियो मैं अपने एक्चुअल चैलेंज को शूट करने के बाद मेरा इंट्रो वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ। सो मैं एक दो चीज़ों के लिए अपोलोजाइज़ करना चाहती हूँ। पहले जो हम इतनी बातें करेंगे उस वीडियो में, आई एम सॉरी, हम लोग बहुत बातें करते हैं जब हम साथ में आते हैं। सो आई अपोलोजाइज इन एडवांस फॉर दैट, बिकॉज हम बहुत बातें कर रहे हैं उस वीडियो में। सेकेंडली, आपको वापस इंटरनेट की वजह से आपको थोड़ा आवाज़ में कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, या फिर वीडियो क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं दिखेगी आप लोगों को, उसके लिए इन एडवांस सॉरी। बट आई होप यू गाइज रियली लाइक दिस चैलेंज वीडियो, एंड आई एम सॉरी मुझे चैलेंजेस बनाने पड़ रहे हैं बिकॉज आई कांट मेक व्लॉग्स। सो आई होप you enjoy this challenge. Bye.
Here are my schoolmates, and now they're going to introduce themselves to you.
Hello, my name is Amani Yadav.
Hello, I'm Vikhyati.
Hello, I'm Sanjana.
Hello, I'm Prapti Siva.
So these are my friends, and now we are going to play Who's Most Likely to Challenge with all my friends. So the first question that I have is, who's most likely to be in a choir group? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow, Vikhyati.
Actually, when I would have done that, but I don't know ki rules mein.
Yeah, only one was allowed.
Only one na then.
I should put both because we both were in a choir group together.
That is true, but
So it makes no sense
professional
if I-
choir
Yes,
mein
yes,
only
yes.
Vikhyati can come. Her voice
I
goes
couldn't choose
on another
one.
level.
Okay, so Nehan also used to come even during the
I know.
singing competition. She was like the.
Vikhyati was in a choir group.
Yeah, she was in the school
She
choir.
was,
She was there.
both
I thought Nehal was the only person there.
No. Me and Vikhyati both.
of them.
I remember me and Nehal were singing the Christmas carols
Yeah.
every year, and then some Besura singer would start singing, and we would be like
Yeah,
a sudden increase in volume out of nowhere, so we could cover that up.
yeah.
Memories in the
Okay,
choir.
so the next question is, who is more likely to be best at maths? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, Prapti, and Amani.
I was confused between both, but okay.
Prapti
Both
knows
of them
also
are
it's
good
her.
at
She's like me.
Yeah,
I know it.
they both are good at maths and they
Yeah.
enjoy it. Like
Both of
me.
Okay, so the third question is, who is most likely to give all their money in charity? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god,
Oh, wow.
Nehal, and then
Wow.
Sanjana.
Oh,
Thank you, Amani.
Sanjana, thank you, Amani, thank you. Okay, next one is, who is most likely to be a drama queen? 3,
Can you put 2 names?
1, go. Wow, all say Prapti. How nice. Even Prapti says it's Prapti.
That's nice.
Amazing. Okay. Who is more likely to do weird things in public?
Can you put 2 names?
Weird things in public. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Amani. Rapti says it's Amani, and all of us say it's Vikhati.
It's
Vikhati
actually
can do
Amani
it.
also, to some
Amani
extent.
can also do it.
Annie used to sing songs.
Yeah,
and-
Amani also.
I
but
think we both would end up doing it anything in public, anything stupid.
If they both do it together, aisa, then look what dhamal they will do in public. Ekdam.
be fun to watch.
Okay. Who is most likely to win a Nobel Prize?
Nobel
Three.
Peace Prize. What kind of
Nobel Prize. Any for anything. A Nobel Prize. What? Who will do it? It's very difficult. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. प्राप्ति, me, Amani, Nehal, Vikhati. Wow, प्राप्ति के साथ सबसे ज्यादा votes है. प्राप्ति is gonna win a Nobel Prize.
Wow.
Okay. Now, who is most likely to kill someone accidentally? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. 4
my
votes
God,
for
Vikhati.
Vikhati and 1 vote for Amani.
Okay, but it might happen accidentally, not
Accidentally, yes.
just
Accidentally.
clearing that up. Okay.
It won't. It might
Accident.
happen accidentally or intentionally. Both are equally.
Excuse you.
Intentionally, excuse
Excuse
me.
you. You're putting me on the list of FBI. Okay, no.
Yeah,
Accident.
that's what.
No, accidentally.
Accidentally हो सकता है. Most likely to meet a ghost one day. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Prapti says Amani. Why?
I'm scared of.
It's always Amani Vikhati, Amani Vikhati.
Yeah, it's always Amani Vikhati. I don't know why.
Okay, majority wins Vikhati.
Okay, next. Who's most likely to fall asleep during classes? 3, 2, 1, go. Amani and Prapti, yeah. Both votes go for Amani and Prapti.
How do I fall asleep in classes?
Who most likely to? You may have not. but-
You were my partner, and I used to observe you in class. And then Amani herself told me that I don't pay attention. I do something else, then I study at home. So
I was not sure, but I thought Amani ho sakta hai.
Yeah.
Amani
No.
100% is. He is admitted.
It's
So
likely.
hers is, verified.
Yeah.
I did not.
Okay.
I
Who's
just
most
zoned out.
likely to cry because of seeing a sad movie or a sad scene in a movie? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Oh, Sanjana. Oh, wow. Okay, Sanjana. Even Sanjana can.
to some extent even I can.
Okay. next.
You both even cried during the movie, na? That's Sushant
It's
Singh
okay.
Rajput ka last movie.
It's
You know,
that was
embarrassing. Yes, I cry a lot. True.
It's
Yeah,
not bad, okay? I will cry if a dog dies in a movie.
emotions.
That is true. Anybody will.
Exactly. A human being dies, it's okay. A dog dies, you cry. Okay.
No, but movies where there are some people who think, why is she crying? It's just a movie. Aisa. And then there are some people who are like,
Oh
yeah,
my
I
God.
feel you. It's okay.
It depends on the character you're crying over, If you're crying over an
If
idiotic
there is a
character,
crying
it's like,
scene in a movie, I will cry. I don't care what is the aage piche of the story. I will just cry because it's crime.
wow.
It's not emotional, but it's okay. Let's move. Okay. Who's most likely to become a famous actress?
Actress.
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Vikhati. Oh
To
wow.
be rude and say it's me, like even Vikyati is pretty good. So
But you knew it was you. Na? Even
But
you-
I think I'll become more of a meme face than an actress. I can't exactly do the emotions. Okay.
Yeah. Even I was confused whether it could be Vikhati. Like,
No,
Prapti
I'm
is
more
the
like
model
a
wala
Prapti.
person.
Yeah, Prapti has
Prapti
done it.
would.
She's become who I
So
would
Prapti
happily.
only popped in my mind.
Okay. Who's most likely to break a world record or set a new world record? Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Sanjana. Sanjana. Okay. What will Sanjana said as per you, Vikhyati?
Yes.
Kindest human being donated 2 million on the like. Okay, on the street.
That was deep.
Like
Thank
that.
you so
Kathy would break a record for stupid stuff.
Yes.
am-
Even I thought the same thing.
I don't know if I should feel complimented or hurt, so I'm going to take it both
Complimented.
ways.
Compliment.
I'm going to take it both
Like
ways.
me.
Oh my god, how could you? Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, it's a compliment only. You're setting a world record is a big thing. Okay.
For stupidity. Just add the last part and it becomes a negative connotation. Okay. She sets the world record for stupidity.
You can
Okay.
even set the world record for curing your friends mentally. Like a therapy.
Oh, yeah.
Me, I am mentally unstable myself.
No, I agree. I agree to Prapti.
Even I agree with Prapti.
Me,
Yes, you.
what have I done though? I'm just like, okay, so be okay. That's what I give.
Moving on.
Yes, moving on. Yes. So, who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? 3, 2, 1, go.
Can we say all of them?
Amani. I think all of us, but Amani. Abhi Amani starting में हंसी देख.
Yes, actually.
Video के starting
Oh,
में
yeah.
हंसी. So that is why I rated it. Okay. Who's most likely to be afraid of watching horror movies?
Can I put 2 names?
No, only one.
Shall put 3 names.
Oh, yeah, please do.
People for
Okay,
that.
fine, 2.
Please do, and you all know.
Fine, 2. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Prapti also.
Prapti? You scared of horror movie?
I didn't know that.
Scared.
Even I didn't know that.
You're scared?
You know what?
I thought you
Everybody-
liked watching horror stuff.
Personally, I would put
Oh.
3 names. Like Sanjana, Nehal, Amani are scared. Prapti is
Pani is not scared, is she?
Prapti is I. the
Amani
first
and
time
you
was
are to किधर भी they are not.
I thought it
scared.
was always me and Nehal. I'm genuine.
Yeah, I always thought it was
No.
Sanjana.
Amani, imagine ghosts in front of you. What would your first reaction be?
I will just die in the corner somewhere.
Yeah,
As soon as my heart will stop as soon as I see that ghost. Okay.
Welcome to this one.
Then it's all 4 of us. It's only Vikhyati. The question should have been opposite.
Kathy is
Who is not scared of any horror movie in the world?
Exactly.
वो question.
Interesting, okay? And it's also amazing to see the stupidness in the movie. Oh my god, I hear sounds. I should go and investigate with a
That
torch.
is
Like,
the dumb thing
run
that I feel
out.
about horror movies.
Yeah, and if I see a ghost, I'll probably like, hello, how is it like being dead? I wouldn't run. I don't know why.
What
I'm
if they're
just
not
built like
dead?
that.
Yeah, she
There
told
are
me once
new
she'll take an
species.
interview of the ghost if she finds one.
Yeah, she had told us.
What the hell?
Who will do
It would be
that?
fun actually.
Purposely go where ऐसा अजीब sounds are coming.
I've
Why?
gone there. I have gone in places like that. I didn't see anything, so I was disappointed. I was like, nothing is there.
It'll be fun actually.
My YouTube viewers,
It's like I've
please,
seen
if
many
you have such
videos.
people
It's
in your friend community, उनको
See, but then
सद्बुद्धि
that
दे सको
helps,
तो दे
okay?
दो.
It helps build your tolerance against horror. Okay, ऐसा धीरे धीरे.
Why do you want to meet a ghost? Is the point?
It's Vikyati Nehal.
Yeah,
Interesting
that's the
interviewing
only
the mind.
justification I have. It's Vikhyati after all. There's nothing else.
Vikyati after all, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Wow.
Anything.
How
That's why
nice.
she won that Nobel Award.
Yes.
Nice.
Meeting ghosts and having a
Now you know why did
community.
you get that?
Okay, so who is most likely to sleep through an alarm? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, me,
Okay.
as an Amani, Prapti,
इसका नाम आ
Vikhyati.
गया इसमें.
See, during our trip,
Actually, it's
remember,
me also. It is me.
when we were
Yeah.
sleeping, I did not wake up with the phone beside me and the
Yeah. She did not.
like I
Yeah.
do.
Amani is like, oh no, what's happening? Like,
Amani has
Arushi
that
and
alarm.
Vaishnavi locked out of our room. Manasi and I was sleeping inside the room, and they got locked out, and the sir had to get a spare key during the Hyderabad trip. It was
Oh,
they
no.
were ringing the bell so bad we couldn't even hear it. I was dreaming of the bells ringing in my ear. Okay,
It's amazing.
I'm like, what the hell? Where are the bells coming from?
Let me at
You
least
know,
check
even
what.
if I was sleeping, if Pinku ma'am knocked on the door, I would be like, yes, ma'am.
Exactly, same
And
here.
she did that. And she did that.
She did
That's
do
what
that,
I
and we
thought.
all woke up
She does.
together. Like, we are awake, we are getting ready, ma'am. We did not just wake up, we were already awake.
That's
Yeah.
the reason we got up.
The first bell,
That
I
never-
would get up. Second bell, Sanjana and Vikyati would get up, and Prapti would still be sleeping.
Prapti,
Prapti ka naam.
dragged her legs once to wake her up, and still she was like the kicker thrower in the sleep wala thing it happened. It was interesting and nice.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Who is most likely to remain under the shower the longest?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Me.
3,
I'm
2,
not too sure. But
1, go.
might be Prapti. Yeah.
The first day I went, I think second.
Prapti and
then
Vikyati used to take the
the
longest.
next day, you people pushed me last. Like, Prapti,
Yes.
you took too much time. Go last.
Me and Nehal were the fastest. Nehal and
Yeah.
He decided to keep you the last because it used to take you
I. और इन
15.
दोनों ने बहुत time लिया था.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is only during the Hyderabad trip when I just took 5 minutes. Otherwise, I
Same-
don't come
same
out if there is 30 minutes or.
Same here.
I can't
One hour.
It's like once you go in the shower, you don't want to step back out.
I
Yes.
can't do
But you
that.
don't want
I
to
don't
go in
like
the
showers.
shower. You know? It's
I
like
don't want to
where
go.
you want to stay.
True.
I just take 5 minutes all the time. I can't stay more.
You mean you wash your hair in 5 minutes?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I can't
Talent.
do that.
Takes
I need
like
at least
1
20
hour.
minutes.
Hair है तो 1 hour, I guess.
I think Amani का hair का इतना problem भी नहीं है. We have longer hair, which is why Amani को का.
Yeah, I guess.
Maybe. Okay, next question is related to this the question that we have.
Okay.
Who is most likely to sing under the shower? Okay,
Uh-huh.
so 3, 2, 1, go. It's me. I sing as loud as I can because I love
Honestly,
singing
who
in the shower.
doesn't sing in the shower?
Exactly.
I think everybody.
Yeah, everybody does it.
Everybody.
Yeah. It depends what type of song you sing, but if I am like washing my hair, I'll sing the entire time I'm in the shower.
Same. Same here.
True. Okay, next question. Who is most likely to be attacked by a wild animal? So 3, 2, 1, go. I feel me and Vikyati.
Nehal also.
I can. Instead of escaping, I'll escape ऐसे way में that the wild animal will get ferocious over me. Then
Yeah, and it seems like Sanjana and Prapti are the type will be like, no, I'm not going there. You
Yeah.
guys go if you want to. I am not coming with you. You
You know, I was attacked by a wild monkey once in Shimla.
what?
And then a wild dog in Jaisalmer, and my brother pushed me intentionally towards that dog. Okay, that wild dog.
My God.
Wow.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that
I
is-
accidentally went towards an entire herd of wild goats. Yeah.
I
I was 6 years old. You can't blame me. It was like this tingu little Vikyati over here. Don't blame me.
नहीं वैसे भी छोटे बच्चों को their curiosity. Oh, I'll go and meet this animal.
No, I was like 13, 14.
It's like the adults tell you, right? Be scared of this animal.
Yeah,
Otherwise, the kid
that's
would be
what-
like, "Hello, cockroach. How do you do?"
Cockroach.
It's such a beautiful life.
I am scared of all animals. All animals.
No, even dogs and cats.
Even dogs. Like, I just.
Cats, birds, parrots.
Same here. Even I'm scared. Nehal, you must have seen it come once and a dog.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I am-
My
That
profile
society में
photo
that
is a
dog is
cat.
sitting Shanti se on the road and Sanjana from like 50 meters away she'll be like, oh no, there's a dog. Let's turn and go.
Yeah, that reminds me. When she comes to my society, also we have like 3-4 dogs living
Yes.
together over here. So
And
she's
they are like
just like,
barking like so loud.
Mine were not even barking in the society.
But they were big.
Ours bark a lot, so I guess that's why she's scared.
They were big.
Okay, so the next question is, who's most likely to dye their hair someday? 3, 2, 1, go.
I mean, she told me she's gonna dye her hair.
Vikyati, Amani and Kapti. Wow. Vikyati is
I'm
going to
not
dye
going
her
to
hair.
dye
I mean,
it.
I plan on dyeing my hair after 12.
Uh-huh. But then I'm not going to dye my hair. I like my hair.
It might look good.
Yeah.
It,
true.
it would look good on her hairstyle too, like the cut.
So the last question for the challenge is, who is most likely to open up a huge secret due to a fight? Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Yeah. So 2 for Prapti and 2
One
for
for Amani.
Vikyati and 1 for Amani. Nice. All of
I
us
mean,
can.
I
Me
don't
and
have
Sanjana
a
can.
secret like that right now, but maybe, you know, in the future, I get one and then a huge fight. I'll be like, you guys don't understand, and push.
For some reason, Prati comes to me.
Even I don't know, for some reason even Prapti comes to my mind. I don't know.
Prapti doesn't share a lot. Often.
Yeah. But I
She
think
does-
when
she
Prapti
does.
goes into a fight, she's like too much into it and then
Same
she
here.
may do something.
Like someone
Yeah.
else's secret or our secret.
Both ways, I guess.
Any
It
which
goes
ways,
both ways.
the people present in that scenario, अगर उसमें से किसी का secret खुल जाए उस time.
Yeah, it's just something which will bring a massive fight or a complete standstill among
For
everyone
everyone,
in that
like-
fight.
I've done that.
Me too.
I'm not.
I just read someone's
I'm
diary
not.
and then she was fighting
I
with me
have
and
done that.
the whole
See?
We're not wrong.
See?
I
You know, in the cooking club ka thing, we went to the place, right? That time it happened. It was between me, Yash, and you.
Was the ending of the challenge, and I hope you liked the challenge and these people who have talked so much. So thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
sayonara.
Like and subscribe. Who's gonna say that?
Yes, please like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Okay.
Yes.
See, these
Bell
guys
icon.
are going to ask
Yes, correct.
all of the stuff. Go, guys.
Exactly. Do it. You better do it. You watch her videos, so you do it.
And by the way, I would like to tell you something, the viewers of this video. On like 2-3 days back, I had 87 subscribers. Uske pehle wale din, I had 86 subscribers, and now I have 85 subscribers. Every day, a subscriber is going less, and I don't like it.
For the
Bye.
person who's trying to play a prank, okay, and then subscribing, unsubscribing, don't. You watch her videos, so you subscribe.
See,
Yes.
guys, when she was having her boards and 10th, that time also she used to do that. She used to take out time for that. So please.
Exactly. She did it during
I
the
even
mock
subscribe to
period.
your
Exactly
channel
during the
once,
vlogs.
I think.
So appreciate
That is such a tough time to sit and edit videos, to record them and then publish them on YouTube.
Exactly. So please appreciate the effort and subscribe.
Oh
Turn
no.
on
wait.
notifications and don't unsubscribe. Thanks.
Yes,
Bye.
please.
Better. Okay, bye, guys.
Subscribe. Bye.